First, connect your Android phone to your Windows laptop or desktop using a USB cable. Once connected, a notification may appear on your phone. If you do, select Transfer Files or File Transfer. Now move to your Windows computer. Open File Explorer. In the left panel, look for your Android phone under This PC. Click on your phone's name. Then, double-click Internal Shared Storage or Internal Storage. To find photos and videos, open the DCIM folder. Next, open the Camera folder. Here, you will see the photos and videos stored on your phone. Select the files you want to transfer. Then, right-click the selected files. Click Copy. Now open the folder on your computer where you want to save the files. Right-click inside the folder. Then click Paste. Wait for the transfer process to complete. Your photos, videos, or other files will now be available on your Windows computer. That's it. This is how you can transfer photos, videos, or other files from an Android phone to a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.